Hello! Welcome to JavaScript Essentials. In this course, you will learn how to become a front-end JavaScript developer. You should already have some understanding of HTML and CSS, but if you don't, that's okay because it's not technically required. This course was designed to help you break into web development as a career. So you'll be learning transferable programming skills such as try, catch, functions, classes, and inheritance, but you'll also be learning all of the JavaScript basics as well. You can take the skills from this course and apply them to other languages in the future, such as Node.js, Python, and PHP. Plus, you'll learn about the strange bits in JavaScript too, including hoisting, scopes, and closure. And while you're going through the lessons, there are two small projects that will give you working experience with real JavaScript code. This way you don't enter the market blindfolded and empty-handed. The lessons come with downloadable code examples and lesson assignments so that you can get hands-on experience with, again, real JavaScript code. As a bonus, you'll also learn some ES6 as well. Nearing the end of this course, we will talk about 5 ways that you can make money while learning to code as a junior or intermediate developer with very little skill, and how you can break into the web development industry. I'll also be providing you with some direction in regards to what you should learn after this JavaScript Essentials course. Some people say you should learn ES6, React, Node, jQuery, Angular, Python, PHP, Ruby, etc., and that's just way too much, so I'm going to provide a little bit of clarity for you. Now, in this course, there's no magic fluff. And in fact, I'm going to be sharing some of the secrets to becoming a successful web developer that no other teacher wants to admit. I've never heard another teacher admit anything like what I'm going to tell you in this course. And in fact, the first secret is that web development is actually more than just writing code. Hi, I'm Caleb, your JavaScript Essentials teacher. I'm a full-stack web developer, I'm an online instructor, I'm an entrepreneur, and I've taught tens of thousands of students in just the last few years, and I've been coding since 1999. And now I'm passing my JavaScript knowledge on to you. Now, here are just a few things that students tend to appreciate about me. My direct way of teaching, again, no fluff. How I can break down difficult concepts into simple and easy to learn pieces, and how fast I answer questions that they have. Now, I believe that online learning is more than watching videos. You need to learn the coding theory, absolutely. You need to jog your memory, and you need to practice writing code so, again, you get hands-on coding experience. Once you finish this course, you'll get a certificate of completion to prove that you've learned the JavaScript essentials. So here's what's included in this course. Full lifetime 24/7 access to all of the HD videos, a certificate of completion, access to our support group, downloadable code examples, coding projects, and a final exam. And a 30-day money-back guarantee. Meaning if you don't learn anything from this course in the first month, go and hit refund, get your money back. So what do you say? Are you ready to become a JavaScript developer? If you are, then click the enroll button.